A devastating loss for the minibus fraternity of St. Lucia, with the tragic death of 28-year-old minibus operator Greg Laurent.
It's a friend and a colleague, so that's a major loss for us. We've lost, for the past 5 years, at least 3 persons on that road, and that to me is alarming.
The Labrie resident lost his life in a collision along the Praled-Dennery Highway, where the omnibus he was operating and a sports utility vehicle collided, causing extensive damage to both automobiles.
Until we find the report, we will not be able to know what's the actual cause of the accident.
President of the National Council on Public Transportation, Godfrey Ferdinand, says the Ncopt only Thursday met with law enforcement to discuss road safety measures.
We are aware that the police hands are tied because as we speak, we still don't have what we call breathalyzers and speed guns to equip the police to be able to stop somebody that is driving too fast. And that, I believe if we had breathalyzers, speed guns, maybe to check persons under the influence of alcohol or drugs, it would minimize the number of crashes we have.
Ferdinand cited recommendations from a Caribbean Development Bank study on sustainable road-based public transportation in St. Lucia, which suggests express routes, larger buses on certain routes, and an upgrade of public transportation operations.
It's unfortunate that when a bus driver is in an accident, 14 persons' life are at risk. If it is a private vehicle, it's just maybe 1 or 2 or 4 persons. We are very concerned about that, and we know that there are reviews that have taken place in terms of the CDB reports and the recommendations that have been made. It means that maybe we would have to expedite some of the recommendations that have been made with the CDB report.
The Ncopt urges swift action to improve road safety and prevent further tragedies on St. Lucia's roads. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.